Hey everybody, oh my goodness, I love science and I've been looking for really good premium and free resources for science, and I came across this. This is 100% free. This is learn.genetics.utah.edu, and I will have the link in the description or the bio. And I want you to go there now and start trying to figure out what you could do with your homeschool students or student for science. Okay, so let me show you what they have. Let me show you around. They have genetics, basic genetics, epigenetics, genetic science, pigeon breeding genetics at work, exploring genetics through genetic disorder, evolution, human health, neuroscience, cell biology, plants, science tools, ecology, earth science, and career exploration. So let me show you where I was at. Let's go to basic genetics. And it says tour of basic genetics. What are traits? What are DNA, genes, so on and so on. And if you look over in the right-hand corner of each subject, it'll tell you what it is. It says it's the video, right? So you go through the videos, and you come down more about chromosomes. How do scientists read chromosomes? In the little corner, it says learn more. If you go down to make a karyotype, am I saying the right karyotype? Then you get interactive explorer. Okay, explore. So we're going to click on that in a minute, but I just want to keep going down. Observable human characteristics. You can learn more about DNA and genes. Interactive explorer. It says explore here. Then video. And then it says more about inheritance. What are dominant and recessive? All the juicy information. And it's so organized. More about proteins, type of proteins. It has more interactive items. More about mutation and more about RNA. So let's go up to this first interactive. When we click on this, it offers to give you a PDF just in case it doesn't work or you just want to do it offline. It explains what it's doing, and it shows that it's kind of like a game down here. And the hints, let's see, are they on? The hints are on. Okay, these are if the hints are on, and if your child is like younger or just to test, you can match the chromosomes like this. So matching up chromosomes in a karyotype, try it yourself. Click on chromosomes in the pool on the left and drag it to its drag it next to its partner in the karyotype on the right. Turning the hints on provides an outline matching chromosome. As you can see, I turned it on, and this is what it looked like off. So we're going to grab this first one that I just figured out. At first I had it here without the hints on. I was like, oh, but it goes here, and then it stays there. So once you start learning about them, being able to put chromosomes together is an awesome thing. So that's an added bonus. Go back to basic genetics and we look at something like what are chromosomes. I just want to see, and gives the video. It's about 1 minute and 15 seconds, which for today's children, that's good timing. Then it goes on to explain complete set of genetic information. Then it goes on to genes and more. Now, you say this is not for a baby. It may not be. It may be. Maybe you want to read it to your baby. But the one thing about homeschool is we can be on different levels. We can come up to different levels. We can reach back to some levels. So if it looks like it's a little too much, you might want to keep it on the game level. You might want to find subjects that may not be as detailed, or you can bring AI into it, and I will show you how to do that in a different video, where you can make it where your 5-year-old or your 8-year-old will understand what's going on. Okay, so I'm not going to play the video. I'm going to go back, and we're just going to look at a few more things. Let's see. We went to videos. What about, let's see, how do scientists read chromosomes? And it breaks that down with size, branding pattern, centromere position. What are centromeres for? I said centromere. Centromere positions, and it shows it and breaks it down. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, let's see. What is inheritance? And it's so cute. And it shows a video. I assume this video may show it where a child can understand what inheritance is. So, I want you to check this out. Let's look at this real quick. Let's see, click or tap the organism below. After reading the description, you'll get to vote on whether you think the organism reproduces sexually, asexually, or both. How well do you know your reproductive strategies? Okay, and look how you can click on it and it just comes up and you can vote as you click on each picture. So, this may be for an older child. Like I said, it depends on what you teach in your homeschool and how you teach it. Let's see. I wanted to find one more. Test the proteins activity. So, oh my, this is the gene good night. Then it goes into that test. Okay. So anyway, make sure you check it out. Make sure you come back to Homeschooling All on YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, any social media really that we can get our hands on. And we want to share with you more free resources like this one so that you and your children can, have an easier time doing homeschool, because it should flow, especially in 2026. You should have, and beyond, you should have a nice flow to your homeschool. And if you can find free resources that are rich and that can help you to make learning fun and make it easier for you to find information all in one place, you got to come back to Homeschooling All, where we will be doing these videos. We're starting out and refreshing, and if you go to our YouTube page or YouTube channel, you'll see that we have more. Hopefully soon we'll be able to kick off the podcast, and we'll have consultations and so much more. Okay, so anyway, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow, and share so we can help more families. Or go straight to the source at homeschoolandall.com for free and premium resources, virtual unboxings, and personalized consulting. We're here to support your real, engaged learning journey. See you there.